it's Miss J. I hope you had a great summer. I've been missed talking with you all, but guess what? The school year has started and fall is just around the corner. You know what that means? The holidays. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. All the kids are ready. My daughter's already found her Halloween bucket, and the grandparents are starting to stock up on the holiday goodies. And I'm a little concerned. Preschoolers, that's a lot of sugar for their little systems. So what I found out is a really great thing for my daughter is to make milk chocolate, but I substitute sugar with monk fruit. Very healthy option, and she doesn't know the difference. Okay, so don't freak out. Chocolate is not that hard to make. You only need 4 simple ingredients. All these ingredients can be found on Amazon, okay? So the first thing you're gonna get is whole milk powder. We use organic, okay? We use cocoa butter. We use the powdered monk fruit. Don't use the granulated, it makes a different texture. Powder works best. And also you can use the Hershey's cocoa. Okay, moms, don't worry about writing this whole recipe down right now. I've written it down below in the comments, so you can relax. All right, moms, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a pan, put some water in it, put it on low temp. We're gonna put it on low heat and put my steel mixing drum on here. We're not gonna pour the cocoa butter into the saucepan because it will burn at low temp. So we're keeping it safe in our drum. We're gonna pour all 16 ounces of our cocoa butter inside, and it's just gonna melt slowly. You have your nice spatula. Don't use a wooden spoon. Spatula is best because it can just slide off very easily. And it's gonna just keep stirring it because you don't want it to get too much exposure and have a nice even heat. Starting to form at the bottom, nice little pool of cocoa butter. Keep the heat at low. Don't rush the process. It's gonna take maybe about 4 minutes or so to get this done, but it's worth it. So now we're going to add 16 ounces of our whole milk organic powder. Okay, so 16 ounces of cocoa butter, 16 ounces of whole milk. We're adding the milk in first before anything else, is because we don't want our finished product to be crumbly. Make sure I get all that goodness in here. So mix it in. But your water is still boiling underneath. So you have to be quick. Make sure you get everything off the sides. Don't waste a thing. Look at how beautiful and creamy and smooth this is. And now we're going to add 4 ounces of cocoa powder. Mix that all in. Having our mixture on simmer in our bowl. Now I'm going to add the monk fruit. Now if you want sweet, you add 16 ounces. If you want a little less sweet, let's just do 12. But we like sweet in my house, so we're going to add 16 ounces. Start to thicken up a little bit. Is probably the most you probably need to go, but since my family has a very good sweet tooth, I did 16 ounces. But you really want to make sure the speed for your mixer is probably on 2 or sometimes even 4, just to make sure everything is mixed in really well, because you don't want clumps in that sweetness. I just poured some of our chocolate into my glass measuring cup with a spout because we don't use plastic because it's still a little warm. And now I'm going to pour it into my silicone molds to get these really cool shapes for the kids. Silicone is really a good tool to use because it won't let your chocolate stick, and it's easy to clean, and it won't melt. So when you're done pouring your mold, you're gonna put it into your fridge and let it set. And there you have it. It's the finished product. So I put it in the fridge for about 2 hours, and then we're ready to enjoy. Don't forget, monk fruit is a healthy superfood. It's all natural, no aftertaste, and it's as good as sugar. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.